You gotta keep finding them. There's one. There's one back here on the back. Come here.
She got shaking.
You gotta look in the grass. Look over here.
I see the eyes in the grass.
Look by the trash can. See a blue one. I see a blue one and a yellow one over here. There's nothing out there. Come on. What about on the porch? Look on the porch. Okay, come on. There's some more. We gotta find some more. Maybe on the swing. Madison, come here. Madison, you missed one. Come here. Look on the swing real good. Over here. Look on the back of the swing.
I got it. I got the orange one.
Look up in that tree. Can you see that one? Can you shake the tree and see if it'll come down? Shake the tree.
Hold on. Don't do it. Hold on. I'll get a bat for it. Move your...
Get it.
It's not down.
There's a blue one beside you. There's some in that bush. Look at that bush right there. It's right there beside you. Look in the tree. It's orange.
I can reach that one.
Yeah.
There's another one.
Yeah.
There's two orange ones I need to kill. And there's a purple one.
A purple one.
Yeah.
You see a yellow and a green one?
That was for Tyler.
Hey, are these all the eggs?
There's some more back there behind you. There's an orange one beside you. Look towards Tyler's house. See the orange one?
Yeah. There's another one up at the gate.
There's one beside the swing set. There's one right here.
A green one.
Look right here. Come here. Look right here. Oh, in the grass right here. Look in the grass.
I did go to the grass out and now I got to bend back up and get these. Let's say if I hold the eggs.
There you
There's
go.
one over there, Kevin.
Come over here.
On the whole other side of the fish pond.
Come on. I see a yellow one. You can put your basket down if you're dropping them.
Okay.
There's one over there. I see a yellow one. You see it? Come on.
I'm gonna open it so I can get some M&Ms.
We got to go up on the porch and see what's inside of them. Okay, come on.
My back is really full.
Go show Mama, Aunt Jeannie, and Grandma.
I go just like a big basket.
You dropped one. You dropped it again.
I don't see it.
Come on, you got it. Oh, drop another one.
My back is all
All
full.
right, come on, let's go.
Let's go to that book and see what's inside this egg.
Oh, there's one over here.
But there's 3 people that already beat
Look around there.
that already had it in the book.
There's another one on the ground.
That was unless anything else walked in the book. When I left there, only 51.
Mama, I got all the eggs.
Did you find all the eggs?
Oh my goodness! I got that book to study for that test from another lady that's taking it, so I'll just read it. I don't know, I'm going to try to do it before I go to Alabama. $300.
Don't pour the grass out.
I made one.